Welcome back. In this lecture, we look at slicing. So in the previous lecture, we have created a data frame. Let's look at it again. So we have data frame 1. And we can slice, let's say, we can grab the first 5 rows by slicing it and passing that as an index. So we can simply say data frame 1 colon 5. This basically means grab up to index 5. So if we run this, we have indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's an example of slicing. Okay, let's look at some more examples of slicing. So we have data frame 1. In order to grab everything, you can also say double colons. That means grab everything. And if we want to grab every other row, how can we do that? So we can say data frame 1 colon colon 2. That means grab every other row. So we have the first row, then the third one, and then the fifth, and so on. Okay? What if we want to grab everything in the reverse order? Okay, that's the -1 slicing. So we can say data frame 1 and then index colon colon -1. So we have the last day, October 30th, and then the last one will be October 21st, right? That's the last index, second from the last, all the way to the beginning. That's negative slicing. And let's look at the series object that we created in the previous lecture. So we have SS, indexes A, B, and C. We can use slicing in here also. For instance, we can say SS, let's say up to, let's grab everything up to index 1. So basically only the first row, right? Index 0. Good. Let's make a copy of our, or in fact, data frame 1 is already a copy. Let me show you one more thing that we can do by using slicing. So we have our data frame 1. Let's say I want to grab everything up to index 3. So data frame 1, grab everything up to index 3, right? So we have indexes 0, 1, and 2. Let's say I want to change the values of all these elements into some other number. Let's say 7. So I can simply set that to be equal to 7. And if I run it and call my data frame 1 object, I see that the first 3 rows, right, the first 3 indexes, index 0, 1, and 2, they all have the new element 7. So the method slicing, it slices the specified rows based on the index that we pass. We can also grab rows in the middle of from the middle of the data frame. For instance, we can say data frame 1, and then we can index, let's say, from 3 to 7. We can do that. So this will grab indexes 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we can perform various operations on this chunk. Okay, so this is what I have on slicing. So we saw how to do slicing on series and data frames, and slicing helps us slice the rows in our data frame or series. Thank you everyone.